Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will create spark effect using shape dynamics. Select a small round texture brush, open brush setting and enable shape dynamics, and also increase size jitter for varied spark sized. Add angle jitter to scatter their directions. Modify roundness jitter for uneven spark shapes. Start tapping around a light sources area and add dense sparks near the center. Spread lighter ones outward. Use soft yellow or orange tones. Add glow behind bright sparks. Add motion blur for streaks. Continue layering until it feels energetic. Shape dynamics builds natural spark movement, and that's how your paint glowing sparks. Thanks for